If you register for your vaccine via the HSE portal, which is most people, you'll have provided an email address. And on the basis of that, then your digital COVID cert will be sent by email. And of course, one of the provisions of the European regulation is it can be paper or phone based. So if you just want to print it off, you can do that. But it can be downloaded to your phone as well and used in that way. Now, for people who got their vaccine through their general practitioner or some other route, where we don't have email addresses to hand, a paper version will be posted out to you. And all of this is going to start next week.
But
there will also be certificates for...
Sorry, that certificate that I have, I can then get on a plane to somewhere like Italy on July 19th, no problem. I don't have to go through another process to get the EU cert, so to speak.
No, that is the EU cert, yeah. And in fact, we're already connected up to the EU system. We've done and are doing the testing. The European Commission has confirmed that on their website. We're there. We've just said that we'll start on the 19th of July. That will work. Some European countries will let you in simply with a test. You'll also be able to get a COVID cert from a private provider as well when you get a test, a PCR or an antigen test, in fact, because some countries only require an antigen test. And we'll still require a PCR to come in here, but the certificate will cover both of those.